how to reset a Snapchat password in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on your profile picture in the top left corner. When you click on your profile picture, then you have to click on your settings in the top right corner. When you click on the settings, you have to scroll all the way down, and when you go to the bottom of this page, you can see the logout option. You have to click on the logout. When you click on the logout, you forget password, you have to verify email, so you have to click on the verify email, and then you have to you can deny it, and you can verify your email. And find your email address, what you have to do is you have to again click on the logout, and then you have to click on the logout. And when you click on the logout, it will log out in the seconds, and it will open again. So what you have to do is you have to and then you have to click on the switch account. When you click on the switch account, you can see the forgot your password. You have to click on the forgot your password, and then you can also choose how you want to reset your password. You have to click on let's see, I choose the email, and then you have to click on the email, and then after on the open it with, you can open it with the Chrome, and after that you have to type your email address. And so that I after typing on your email, you have to click on the submit. And when you click on the submit, email is sent to the your email. A verification email is sent to the email with the change password link. So you have to go to your email inbox. So what you have to do is, firstly you have to go to your email inbox, and here you can see the you have to and here you can see the team of Snapchat password reset. So you have to click on this link, and when you click on this link, you can open it with the Chrome. And after open it with Chrome, you can and after that you can type the new password, and then you can uh, and after that you can type the new password, and then you can save it. And so that's it. After that you can send the after typing your password, you have to click on the save. And when you click on the save, your password is changed. Here you can see that your password is changed. You can also save the password by clicking on the this drop down arrow in the save button. In the drop down arrow, you can also save it. So that's it. You can also continue it. And so that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.